Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you the home remedy you can use to get rid of sunburn at home. When you have sunburn, it means that your skin is already compromised, and when your skin is compromised, you don't want to add any other thing that will add to it. You don't want to apply anything that will be harsh on the already compromised skin. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the home remedy you can use to treat sunburn at home. A very mild home remedy that is very effective that you can use to treat sunburn at home. That's what I'll be sharing with you guys in today's video. So without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare this treatment, all you need is to get a plate, then you will need cucumber. So guys, we'll be using cucumber for this treatment because cucumber has a lot of skin benefits. Cucumber helps to soothe irritation, it helps to combat free radicals. It also helps to hydrate the skin. You can eat cucumber or apply it on your skin to achieve a very glowing skin. Cucumber also helps to heal sunburn. Yes, this is the exact reason why we'll be using cucumber for this treatment, okay? It helps to heal sunburn. It also helps with puffy eyes. If you have a puffy eyes, you can cut cucumber into slices and place it on your eyes. It will help to reduce the puffiness. So cucumber also helps to tighten the pores. It helps to rejuvenate your skin. It has a cooling effect that will help to soothe your skin if you're having irritated skin. There are a lot of skin benefits of cucumber, so you can either eat it to achieve glowing skin or you can apply it on your skin to help rejuvenate and soothe your skin. It also helps to reduce facial puffiness, which I have mentioned earlier. Cucumber also helps to fight aging. It helps to reverse the signs of premature aging. Cucumber also helps to cleanse the skin. It has a lot of skin benefit, guys. The skin benefits of cucumber cannot be overemphasized. Yes guys, so that's why you will be needing it for treatment. After the cucumber, the next thing you will need is Greek yogurt. Use natural yogurt. This yogurt doesn't contain sugar, that's why we'll be using it. So we'll go ahead and add Greek yogurt because it contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. Please use Greek yogurt. That's a natural yogurt. Do not use a yogurt that contains sugar. No, it doesn't work, okay? You need a natural yogurt for this treatment. So this natural yogurt will help to reduce the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines. It will also help to tighten your skin and soothe your skin. So after the yogurt, the next thing you will add is aloe vera gel. So go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into it. So we'll be using aloe vera gel because it also helps to heal sunburn. It helps to fight aging, like it helps to reduce the signs of premature aging. Aloe vera gel also helps to fade dark spots. It helps to promote wound healing. So if you have a wound, applying aloe vera gel on it can help to heal the wound. It also helps to hydrate the skin and improve your skin elasticity. So after adding the aloe vera gel, you go ahead and mix it very well. After mixing it, the next thing you will need is vitamin E. Go ahead and add some drops of vitamin E into it. Some of you will ask, what if I don't have vitamin E? Can I skip it? Yes, you can skip it, but bear it in mind that vitamin E helps a lot. If you can find it, please do add it because it helps to protect you from UV exposure and reduce hyperpigmentations. So the next thing I added is turmeric. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric because it helps to brighten the skin and reduce hyperpigmentations. Now we are done mixing it. Let me show you how you can use this regimen for maximum results, okay? So how do you use this treatment? Just go ahead and wash your face. And after washing your face, go ahead and get your brush. Then go ahead and use it. Apply it all over your face. Apply it all over your face. Even as you are beginning to apply it, you will begin to feel this soothing sensation on your skin. This helps a lot. This helps to cool down your skin. This helps to improve your skin. So go ahead and apply it all the places you have the skin problem. After applying it, you wait for about 30 to 45 minutes for it to dry up. Once it dries up, you go ahead and wash your face. And after washing your face, you apply your face cream. This will help to ease your skin from irritation. This will help to cool down your skin. This will help your skin to relax. So after applying it, wash it out once it dries up. Apply your face cream, guys. So this is very effective way you can use to treat sunburn at home. This is very effective way that you can use to help your skin to rejuvenate. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. I will see you in my next one. For now, bye.